Hello guys, I'm doing a review of this wireless remote control outlet by Magicfly. This is what it looks like. It comes with one remote and two sockets. The seller also has a listing of an option for 5 sockets and 2 remotes. This is the one which I have. Now this makes the work so convenient. This attaches into your socket, the power supply, and it can be used with the click of a button. Now this remote control can take up to 1, 2 and 3. There's an on and off button for each of them, and it's so easy. Just plug and play. You just push it into the socket and you're good to go. And it's got almost 100 feet of range. The outlets remain off after a power outage to save energy. It's very easy, very convenient, and you can just relax, sit on your bed or a chair, and you don't need to get up and switch off the lights. I'll just give you a demo of how it works. You can see I have attached the socket into place, and now I will control it via the remote. I will press on and it switched on the light, and when I press off it switched it off. So now you can conveniently sit anywhere and operate your sockets. You do not have to move up and switch it off manually. It's just at the click of a button. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.